How to refer and earn money on weekends. Are guys facing issues to earn money while referring to your friends on WeCash application? If that's so, then this video will help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To refer WeCash to your friends, first of all, open the WeCash application on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download WeCash app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. After you open up the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply head over to the top of your screen where you can see this option for refer and earn. Tap on it. Once you click on refer and earn, you will be forwarded to this interface. Now this is your referral code. Just simply copy it and paste it on your friend's inbox, whereas on Instagram or Facebook. Once you paste this code on your friend's ID, let them install WeCash app on the device and tell them to put this code on their WeCash application. As soon as they paste this code, then you'll be able to earn money on WeCash while referring it to your friends. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to refer and earn on WeCash. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.